To make your Pinterest account public, start by downloading the Pinterest app from the App Store if you haven't already. Once the app is downloaded, open it, and you will be taken to the home page. Locate your profile icon in the bottom right corner and select it to open your profile. In the top right corner of your profile, you will see 3 dots. Click on these to access more options. From the list of options that appear, select Settings. On the Settings page, click on Privacy and Data. The first option on this page is Search Privacy, which controls whether your profile and boards are hidden from search engines. If this option is turned on, your account is private. However, if you turn it off, your account will become public. By toggling this setting, you can easily switch between a private and public Pinterest account.